nag-meeting ni ka sa SUV from newbies and SUV. So, here's Ivan. Hi, Ivan! Nag-meeting me. So, here, Dika, Marco, nag-meeting me. Video din.
By the way, my name is May and among the I'm 8 years old and I'm taking a course of Bachelor of Science in Accounting. I joined SUV because it's not all about I want to be popular and I joined because I want to be confident, music, and fun with friends.
Very good. I don't know. What to go?
I am already 20 years old. I am a
Ay, naglingkod diha.
I graduated my 2-year certified nursing assistant at St. James College, and I am taking Bachelor of Science in Accounting. And I want to join SUV because I know that SUV contributes a lot of good things in this institution.
Imo ni bag?
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Alimar Krasubi from Liang Sambonga del Sur, but I like to be called Mimar.
Mimar. Hello.
I'm also
SUV legit ka. SUV legit ka.
Kinabuan din. Enjoy ka ni nga ni Jovi kay sa mga kapatid na nga. Nindot lagi ni Ma'am. Nindot kay mag-join bita din. Studying here since high school. I'm studying medical technology, first year student. The reason why I joined SUV is because I enjoy facing challenges and I enjoy helping others. I find it rewarding.
Yay!
What's game? What's game?
Saan? Ah, siya nakadoon.
Oh, what's game?
Polski daw na siya.
I'm done with steak, but beach, chicken, beef, HRM, dating with IT, ship now. Change of party. Dati lalaki siya.
Dati lalaki yung babae.
Laki mo ko eh.
Laki ako.
Sumali ako ng SUV. Hindi ako tatakit na SUV ah. SUV. Gusto ko lang, katulad nga sinabi ng mga iba, challenging, yung mga gusto ko. Yun yung gusto ko, friend. Yan lang. Post game. Hindi ako natang post game. Dami nang pagpapasala.
Hello everyone.
Hi.
I'm Christy Algin Artstan. Not Hailey or Charlie. Ikaw Hailey, hindi tawag na pagkaroon na. Pero yung black naman ako.
Ano, nagpa-block siya.
kon BS IT1 nyapil ko STP kay gusto ko ma-challenge tapos kabalo ko maun sa kabisi ang STP dayon kumusta kung nasa ko idea ma-share na ko sila kung maayo ba or dili. When I heard about that STV is about leadership, so I was really interested. So because I was able to experience a lot of some leadership activities before. So Bala ko ng SUV dahil ko i-share yung skills ko na like editing videos, pwede akong tusan, edit videos, teacher, yung pangit, gawing maganda. Yung maganda gawing pangit, pwede rin. I was still naman experience yung mabisi ba? Kasi hindi ko pa experience yung mabisi.
Okay.
Yun lang. Really?
Hello, fellow SUV members.
Hi.
I'm Peter Zambrano. I'm 24 years old, and this is actually my third course. And please call me. My alias is Mr. Z. That's actually my English name. So I don't like a format. I really don't like my formality name being Caesar or Cesar. So yeah, I just got here like a few months ago, and the reason why I joined SUV is because I like to be busy. I like to make my mind more occupied as it is. Because I'm actually a busy guy. But, you know, I like to be more busy, so make my. Let me say that. But actually, that's not really how I am. I'm a flexible guy. Not a flexible thing. Not that kind of flexible. But anyway, I'm just a flexible guy. Oh, by the way, I'm a first year BS HRIM.
Yay.
I am J. Mark Inderes,
Ang likot.
but you can call me Dumbo. Dumbo. As you can see, I am the brother of Sergio. You can see also, dili na dapat ikapangutana akong course.
Asia.
You want my email ad?
Why did you join?
Saan man ako i-promote? Why I joined SUV? Dili sa kay daghang pagkaon. Pero ganahan ko mabisi ba kay klaro kang mawas dili kay busy.
Okay. Di busy yung katawan niya.
Mabisi akong kinabuhi kay di po ko loner pero ganahan ko busy jud kay bo. Anang maniwang jud kay.
Asin! Okay.
Wala sa water permit na tubig ito.
Tama, pwede.
Then, I am a sociable person. Approachable. Pwede ma-date basta sa ngit-ngit. Sa ngit-ngit kasi man maklaro ang baka pangaot. Ano, mo ka na.
Ako may maging date yun.
Tatalo. Oras to face you.
Yay!
Column naman.
Lunch is going to be day up before I'm sure I am. Then why I joined SUV? Because I love doing volunteer activities. So that's it. I am also, to be honest, I am also a member of leadership performance. Sampo! Yeah, hi, good afternoon. So I am Jonalyn Dela Cruz and I am from the province of Zamboanga, Silugay, and I am a nursing student, third year na, and yeah. So there, the reason why I joined ASUB is that I was a leader also during my high school days, and we have done trainings in Baguio City. Yeah, and we there are a lot of activities there, and I hope nga ang learn ako dito is ma-apply ko na ako there. That's all. Thank you.
Bye!
Hi, I'm Gwen Bringal. You can call me Rai Rai or Gwen. I'm taking up B.Ed. Reason nga na-join ko sa TV kay gusto ko nga i-train myself how to be a leader din. Saka sa high school din ako kaya nakapilang gusto ko mga leadership things. Gusto ko na ako ma-experience sa pagkakas.
Yay! Lusot.
I'm Rolando Tumbar, Bachelor of Elementary Education. I'm from Basilan, actually.
Okay.
Then Sergeant Lapar.
And I just want to discover more potential about myself. That's why I enjoy SUV.
I joined this organization because I would like this organization to be my training ground. And to be honest, I don't like to be busy, but I like spending my time doing worthwhile things. So I'm hoping that this organization will help me spend my time doing worthwhile. Thank you.
Yay! Sige. Hi. This video dai, video. Video dai. These are the new SUV members, Lara and Kate. That's Marco. They are something. Sila? Ooh. There's something with them. Yes. Marco and Kate. Bagay. Pwede.
Hi, I'm Rizzi Cordero, third year. Then I'm an old member of SUV since first year pa ako nag-SUV member, and then I'm the editor-in-chief of Extinguish since first year pa ako nag-editor-in-chief, and then I've also joined various seminars and trainings about leadership, journalism.
Okay. Ito, sabihin nyo bias HRM dito, ah. Nagkataon lang. Nagkataon lang.
Hindi, bias talaga, bias. Walang snack. Wala ngayon. Wala. Liter na. Well-rounded kaayo ang mga tao dire.
Ang gamer wala yun.
That's Alex.
Okay. So, siguro magkakilala each other na. Okay. And then,
Mas mababanding pa talaga tayo sa leadership leadership workshop. I know, yung mga hindi humihimik-himik dito sa leadership training natin, ihimik at ihimik kayo. At iiyak kayo.
Ah.
Yes.
Yes.
Diba? Iiyak.
Oo.
Okay, actually, we have original crying ladies cuisine. First time crying ladies. Second time crying ladies, children. Alam mo kung saan sila umiiyak? Kasi sila aside sa committee and attendance. Head ng attendance, so all students. Pag di sila naka-attendance kasi may cut off yung ano natin. Kunyari 6 to 7 lang. Pag 7 o'clock, di na sila pwede mag-sign in. So 50 pesos fine na yun. So sila yung inaaway. Okay, so mga crying ladies. Okay, yan.
Ladies.
So yeah. Nag-meeting na kasi. Pero hopefully maraming matang lalaki. So,
Sila na lang.
lalaki lang yung attendance.
Yes.
Kawawa talaga sila. Inaaway,
Ay,
mura. Okay, kasi hindi natin ma-please yung mga estudyante dito eh. Kasi 50 pesos eh. Imagine. Kasi may cut-off naman tayo. 6 to 7. Okay, yan lang yung sign-in period. May papasok, 7:01. O 7:02. Sir, 7 o'clock pa naman siya. Tapos pa nag-sign out. Ang problema natin dito sa campus na to, especially the student, sabi ko nga, pag may school activity, punta lang sila sa school, magpa-check attendance. Na-check attendance, lalabas ng school, or sa isang gilid lang sila. Lasa lang ginagawa. So, yun yung ating one of project or gusto nga disseminate sa student. Ayaw ng apathetic student. Okay, apathetic means walang pakialam. Okay, so it's a part of college life na mag-participate in mga activities. Okay? Kahit sa school siguro may apathetic student, pero gamay lang na dito sa DFC. Push natin sila lahat, especially yung classmate, yung mga walang yun yung ating, tayo yung mag-lead sa kanila as SUV. Okay, so today, let's proceed na dun sa first activity natin. Sinintay talaga namin to, this meeting na to,
First activity
para
natin na namin. So, bye for now.
disseminate
Later na
namin yung
agad.
mga committees.
Okay, bye.
Okay, so yung